Could you please open your poetry books to Ode to a Nightingale and let's try and get through with it today.
Mood लगता है boyfriend से लड़की आई है.
Darkling, I listen, and for many a time I have been half in love with easeful death. Called him soft names and... Cyrus, शायद कल रात आप बहुत busy थे. You're looking very tired. Or do you need some more homework like yesterday?
No, ma'am. I'm quite awake now.
Called him soft names in many amused rhyme to take into the air my quiet breath. Now no more than ever.
Ma'am, sorry to disturb you. मेरे पेट में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. क्या मैं बाथरूम जा सकता हूँ, please?
Should I call for a doctor right now?
नहीं, I'm feeling better, thank you.
Mehul?
Yes, ma'am.
तुम क्या खा रहे हो?
कुछ नहीं, ma'am.
Bring it here right now. I said right now. Disgusting. Now more than ever it seems rich to die, to seize upon the midnight with no pain while thou art pouring forth. Raghav, you seem to have a lot to say today. क्या कह रहे थे तुम साइरस से?
कुछ भी नहीं, ma'am.
Cyrus?
Yeah?
What was Raghav saying to you?
Nothing particular, just general.
Get out. Both of you.
But ma'am...
Get out of my class now.
Sorry, ma'am.
Get out. Now more than ever, it seems rich to die, to seize upon the midnight with no pain while... Thank you, Kiran. That's really sweet of you. 5 minutes रह गए. I guess there's no point in continuing. Is there anything anybody would like to read, talk about, discuss?
नहीं मैम, एक्चुअली पिछले हफ्ते से हम होमवर्क और टेस्ट में काफी बिजी थे, so I don't think anyone's been able to come up with.
मैम, मैंने एक नई पोएम लिखी है. I would like to read it out to the class, and I want to know what you think about it.
Another time, Noni.
No, please, मैम, हम सुनना चाहते हैं मैम, please.
All right, if you think you want to read it, please do.
The silent mill, lost in the wreathing mists of time.
Good time, wasting time.
Silent as the years are gone by, brooding through the seasons that pass by.
Stop. Noni, when you write something that comes out of your heart and your soul, और जो किसी और से या मुझसे कॉपी नहीं किया गया हो, तब मुझे पढ़ के सुनाना.
लेकिन मैम, मैंने ये किसी से कॉपी नहीं किया. I was just trying to, write it in your style because I really admire your style.
I don't want any reasons. If I were you, I would throw this poem in the dustbin. Class dismissed. Kiran, could you please come and help me with some work in the staff room? Hi guys, I don't believe this यार. उसने राघव और साइंस को क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया.
Exactly यार. How can she do this to us यार? यादव सर ने कभी हमें क्लास से नहीं निकाला, तो ये क्या चीज है? और बेचारा मेहुल, उसने क्या किया? बस उसके मुंह से
उनका दाना छीन लिया. हाँ, यही है ना मुहावरा?
यार अब नोनी, क्या फर्क पड़ता है what dear Lavanya thinks about your poetry anyway?
Just shut up, मजहर. तुम्हें पोएट्री राइटिंग के बारे में पता ही क्या है? When I was reading my poem, you were not even listening to me. तुम साइरस और राघव के साथ अपनी मेल बॉन्डिंग में लगे होंगे. Just admit it कि तुम्हें नहीं सुननी मेरी पोएम.
अरे नोनी, मुझे भी तुम्हारी पोएम समझ में नहीं आती.
Exactly, नोनी. अगर तुम अपने बारे में लिखो या फिर उन टॉपिक्स के बारे में लिखो जो हमें कंसर्न करे, we'll appreciate your poems.
Yeah, it was too intellectual for me too.
नोनी, I don't understand one thing. तुम हमेशा इतना grown up sound करने की कोशिश क्यों करती हो? I mean, it's also cerebral, यार.
देखिए, Miss Lavanya Junior herself is here. She's trying to imitate her idol.
Shut up, John. और Miss Noni, what's wrong with you, huh? एक तो मैम का मूड वैसे ही खराब था, and on top of that, you said that stupid little poem of yours and just upset her all the more. Ridiculous, I say.
Just shut up, Kiran, and get off my back. You're jealous कि Miss Lavanya मेरी poems को encourage करती है.
Encourage? Oh, please.
Okay. So I've written a bad poem. एक और लिखूंगी, which is gonna blow everyone's mind, and she'll love it too. So there.
All the best.
Forever.
क्या हो गया लोगों को यार?
अरे मजा आज खाने को
मस्ती के हंसी तराने। Hip hip hooray! आज हमारा कल अपना, कोई माने या न माने। अपनी हस्ती है मस्ती के हंसी